A lot of traders no sabi wetin dem dey call breakaway gap. Breakaway gap na also fair value gap, shey you grab, but dis kain fair value gap, dis one e get koko for head, e mad gan, e no dey hear word because price no dey always retest am, shey you grab. The thing dey get high probability, shey you grab. So make I explain wetin be breakaway gap. You can see this first candlestick, the second candlestick and the third candlestick. The third candlestick dey always close above the high of the second candlestick. If e close above the high, that one na breakaway gap, but if e no close above am, maybe e close below the high of the second candlestick, that one na ordinary fair value gap, no be breakaway gap. So there are many chances say price go retest that fair value gap before going to that direction. But when it comes to breakaway gap no dey retest, e no dey retest fair value gap, e dey go that direction. So how do I explain this thing? Wetin I go use explain am? So make I talk am like this. Okay, this breakaway gap, e dey always target liquidity, shey you grab. Like now, maybe you dey your house, as you dey your house, hunger dey wire your head, you say make I go out, make I go mama mesoma shop, make I go buy garri, shey you grab. And you like this, anytime wey you dey go out, you like to dey carry your airpod, you like to dey hear music, and even though you dey go toilet, you dey carry your airpod, shey you grab. As you comot house, you don reach junction, shey you grab, you come dey see mama mesoma shop for there where you wan go buy garri, e remain small make you reach there o, but you don comot house, you don tey, you come remember say you no carry your airpod. Shey you go come back house come carry airpod before you go buy the garri? No now, e no make sense. You go buy that garri. After you don buy that garri, then you go come back house come sit down, shey you grab. Na so this breakaway gap be. Maybe after seeing this kind of breakaway gap on the chart, maybe the guy dey target one swing high. Instead of market to retest that breakaway gap or to retest the fair value gap, e no go come back. E go first go take that liquidity before coming down to retest that fair value gap. And sometimes if you retest am, e no dey obey, and sometimes if you retest am, e dey obey, e go buy. So there are some traders wey be say once they see this kind of candlestick setup like this breakaway gap, they go buy, shey you grab. They go place their stop loss below this fair value gap or below this candlestick, the first candlestick. They go place their stop loss there, then they go put their take profit for the recent swing high, like that. So like this example wey dey here like this, we have break of structure to the downside, meaning we should be looking to sell, right? And there are some traders wey be say they mark this place as order block, they wan sell for there, or supply zone, shey you grab. So as price come dey pull back, you cannot see breakaway gap, or you go hardly see breakaway gap in a ranging market or in a corrective pullback market, shey you grab. Price go enter that zone impulsively if you don see breakaway gap like this. And this one no be strategy o, you can just add it to your strategy or to your knowledge. It's not a strategy on its own, it serve as confirmation for you to understand wetin market dey talk, shey you grab. No be strategy, make no go trade am blow your account, come dey drag me for here, I go pour garri for your eye. So the guy go like this, you come see breakaway gap for this region like this. The guy dey target this swing guy, maybe there's no recent swing high for here, and even there is recent swing high like this, the price fit target that area before coming back to retest the fair value gap. But if swing high no dey there, chances plenty say the guy go break that zone, chop people wey dey sell for there, e go chop their stop loss before coming down to retest the fair value gap before going to the upside or before returning down to the downside, shey you grab. Na so e be. So because of I no wan make this video long, I for explain the bearish scenario, but everything na vice versa. If you dey feel am, abeg make you type 100 for the comment section. See ya later.